robotic surgeries, smartphones, self-driving cars, navigation apps, and smart homes. That's the disruptive power of artificial intelligence, reshaping the future of humanity. From education to healthcare, finance to manufacturing, AI is at the heart of innovative progress across all sectors around the globe. Today, our great nation India stands at the cusp of becoming the global hub of AI talent. Investing in skilling, reskilling and upskilling its workforce to adapt and thrive in a tech-driven era. Drawing inspiration from our national leadership's vision of AI for India's growth, AI for all. We are today embarking on an ambitious journey with the unveiling of Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, India's next-gen futuristic university. With an illustrious legacy of more than 2 decades of transformative education, Chandigarh University today stands as India's #1 private university and a globally acclaimed institution. Year after year, the university has achieved momentous milestones. While nurturing dynamic entrepreneurs, proficient professionals and visionaries, our new futuristic intelligent campus is the true embodiment of the artificial intelligence revolution. Nestled in the nation's emerging AI city in Uttar Pradesh, the university is envisioned as a world-class institution dedicated to delivering AI-augmented multidisciplinary education. From hyper-personalized experiential learning pathways and data-driven insights to virtual reality experiences, real-world simulations and AI-fueled research and career support services, our new campus is attuned to the needs of 21st century learners and will prepare the youth to become a part of the AI-driven workforce. The university's foundation is built upon progressive principles, incorporating key features like multidisciplinary education with AI integration, field learning environment with innovative pedagogical approach, centers of excellence for cross-disciplinary research, tech-infused ecosystem to nurture entrepreneurial ventures, mentorship by AI experts from top tech giants, 360-degree support in shaping an intellectual identity, ethical AI practices for nation building, intelligent systems for streamlined campus access. From engineering to management and arts to commerce, here students will leverage AI tools to analyze, discover, design and innovate to define their career paths in this tech era. As India emerges as a key player in the global AI race, we are committed to empowering youth and heralding a new era of a future-driven education system. Welcome to Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, where futuristic education unfolds, where we cultivate global visionaries, empowering India with the next-gen futuristic university.